your church shoes. Millie point two just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Oh yeah, in a week too, yeah. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. House of ones, you need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that iron into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face when I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking mommy, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side like a penny lane. Switch on my core, fuck with anything. I'm a motherfucking star. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, every day a nigga try to bend me, pull up in the roadster and test me, pockets overweight getting hefty, coming for the king, that's a far cry. I come alive in the front time, the competition I don't win. I'm in the blue moon, so I'm over you edition. House of ones, you need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that iron into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face when I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking mommy, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side like a penny lane. Switch on my car, fuck with anything. Look what you want. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you want. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Let a nigga practice, legend of the fall, took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the Wraith the Con. Girls get loose when they hear the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause. House of ones, you need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that iron into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face when I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing